Good morning, students. Now we will continue our chapter What, Where, How, and When. In our first video, we have discussed a topic people traveled from one place to another place due to many reasons, and historians study about past by using manuscripts, inscriptions, and archaeological evidences. Now in this video, we will study next topic, that is our past, one or many. So dear students, we don't have one past. Our pasts are many. It is in plural form. Like title of your history book is Our Pasts. It is in plural form. It means we are not having one past. We have different types of past. So if we study about the past, we see that herders and farmers, they struggle to fulfill their both ends meet. They work hard, and another side is king and queen. They led luxurious and very comfortable life, and people followed different practices and customs in different parts of the country. For example, if today we see people living in Andaman and Nicobar Island, they get their own food by fishing and hunting and collecting food, forest products. And if we see people living in cities, they get supplies of food by people living in rural areas. Besides, there is another kind of difference. Like we deal about the history of kings and battles they fought because they kept records of their victories. But life of ordinary people is not recorded anywhere. It is based on study of archaeological evidences. So we study about life of ordinary people by guessing from the archaeological evidences. Next topic is what do dates mean? Like when you see the dates in your books, there it is written AD and BC with the dates. So what does it mean? BC means before Christ. These dates are taken backward, going backward from the present. Like using 2000 as our starting point, we will go backward. 1999 BC, 1998 BC, like that. But AD means Anno Domini. Anno Domini means the year of the Lord. Sometimes CE is also used instead of AD, and instead of BC it is written BCE. BCE means before Common Era. So these are abbreviations which are used with your dates. Sometimes the letter BP is also used. BP is before present. So next box, you are watching some pictures. These pictures are used to denote some letters. As we have studied that we found some inscriptions, and we study inscriptions to study about the past. But in some inscriptions it is written in pictorial form. Pictorial means not written in letters. Pictures are drawn there to denote the message. So, how do scholars understand and what was written in the script written in pictorial form is known as decipherment. So, decipherment is a process to understand the inscriptions written in the past. One of the most famous story of decipherments comes from Egypt. Egypt is on north coast of Africa, and there one town called Rosetta, and there historians found some inscriptions, and these inscriptions are in 3 different languages and scripts. One script is Greek and 2 other forms of Egyptian. Scholars who could read Greek figured out the names of kings and queens were enclosed in little frame. So historians placed the Greek and Egyptian signs side by side and identified the sounds for which Egyptian letters stood. So that is shown in the picture elsewhere where it is written like picture of lion denotes for L and picture of eagle denotes for A. So they understood obviously by guessing the pictures denotes the sound of letters. So that process is known as decipherment. So in this way historians understood what is written in that pictorial form in inscriptions.